I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on Epic Games. For that you'll need to open up your browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search epicgames.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Epic Games website. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top right of your screen. Select sign in. At the bottom of the page you'll see the option of sign up. Tap on it. Here you can see that you can sign up with email, Facebook, Google, Xbox Live, PlayStation Network, Nintendo account and Steam. For now I'm going to show you how to sign up with email address. Firstly, select your country, then enter your first name and your last name. Create a display name. Enter your email address that you want to link to your account. Then create a password. Be sure to create a strong password. Tap on the first small square box if you would like to receive news, surveys and special offers from Epic Games. And then tap on the other box if you have read and agreed to the terms of service of Epic Games. When you are done, tap on continue. After that, you'll have to solve puzzles to verify you're a human. Epic Games will now send you a security code on your email, so open up your mail. After you open up your mail, there you'll see the code. Copy the code and go back to your browser and then paste it. When you are done, tap on verify email. This way you can create Epic Games account. Now you can use end-to-end digital ecosystem to build, distribute and operate games and other contents. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.